Mwancho murigiriria ni maragoba yendengo kwarigania Ekeonga Chinsa Inye tusange naye unabereka gwateka kurwa chingongo nye chiense eri tunyare kumanya naraliagenderete anene kurwa sorgongo rwa gusi eri ane ni onkoro kwa Dipon na Asanya sense moyebimanyererio niko tuchi kubwaterana na Wilson Makori gendera gusanga munaintwe oiko moerio tunyare kumanya unabereka gwateka. Uchaka kurwa ase county ya Kisii Reverend Joseph Okemwa Mairura oyoro mwaskobwe we diocese ya Kisii ni golitukulia lero aigora nigaigora parish ya St Augustine Otamba yugotoka meye bunge ya Nyaribare chache county ya Kisii ayama yagajeli tuko elimorioka liaelire maiga yoko igora parish yende ekoro kwa St Ambrose Kabeo yuego toka Chinsa mochiri bunge ya Bobasi itukeri mulio kaliarire asebono parish ya St Augustine yaba parish ya Emerongene naibere ime yarogongoroiga rwagusi rokora wano Moscow Joseph Okemwa Mairura omurikito Tyson nigaikera no rona gutware ndio roboti rokobwatia
Lituko elimorioka magega ye parish ya Inye ya Kabeo koigorwa egotoka ase ebunge ya Bobasi omwesi kobi bworogongorwa gusi Joseph Mairura Okemwa na lero nigo aira chinga kichae chiabene koigora parish ya Inye ekoroku St Augustine egotoka Otamba ime ya Kisii Central ebunge ya Nyaribari chache.
I, Right Reverend Joseph Mairura Okemwa, Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Kisii, after deep reflection and necessary consultation as required by law, do hereby establish St. Augustine Otamba Parish in accordance with the Code of Canon Law.
Eklezia ya Katoliki niko kegenderete gukinia Chinsa ya chae ase orogongo rwa Gusii. Lituko Jumapili chitariki 20 neyemo cy'umutenyo 12 omwaka oyo parish ya St Ambrose Kabeo egotoka ase ebunge ya Bobasi yabetege koigorwa amono mu Bishop Right Reverend Joseph Mairura Okemwa bworogongo oro rwa Gusii. Lituko elimorioka kwaera nainde parish ya St Augustine Otamba eyo ere ward ya Kisii Central ase ebunge ya Nyaribari chache koigorwa bene lituko Jumatatu chitariki 20 na ibere omutenyo 12. Parish ya St Augustine Otamba eyo chisenta chia rusi kwa kurwa Kisii Cathedral Parish amo area ya Queen of Apostles Nyakegogi Parish na kobekwa amo na kwa yarosia echo chonsi chire chisenta isano na ibere.
The new parish consists of the following centers carved from two main parishes, namely Kisii Cathedral and Queen of Apostles Nyakegogi Parish. Therefore, the centers that will form this parish are Otamba Center itself, Ebate Center, Ebate Mura.
Omosasiroti Paul Nyambane nere ogochia koye chakia bene nyuma yogochorwa na koegwa ebibunguo amona omwesko Right Reverend Joseph Mairura Okemwa.
Do hereby accept the office of parish priest of St. Augustine Otamba Parish.
Parish ya St Augustine Otamba egotoka ime ya Kisii Central ebunge ya Nyaribari chache nero yaikire parish ya Emerongene na ibere na nero egochigokora omwaka oyega ase chiria ekimo cyabo kya omwesko bibworogongorwa Kisii Joseph Mairura Okemwa abeirega koigora ase omwaka oyega. Kuripotera Getembe nje Wycliffe Tyson Manyara.
Gotigara asoroboti oruoruo abarai ao naboigo abakristo sababu watani be kanisa yege Katoliki nigo bai kirana asomo yego yoni go bago kire getambo kire kyo yokonyore parish ya Chinsa mecho gati abono mokonyi bo mugabana we county ya Kisii mheshimiwa Elijah Obebo naboigo MCA we ward ya Kisii Central Wilfred Munyenye abo bai kirana na gwakanga mbuya mono
mkoire linga mbuya mono asoga toy parish aigota mogote bishop katinga biamono baba skofu Otamba hawa ndio walinilea, hawa ndio walipeleka shule, Ndio ni maskini sasa hivi. Ndio ni habari. Ayani tuone baadaye. Basi mata umunguru pia mno aso otoeseta yeto yotamba unatua eparisi yeto yotamba unatua achato gachanga tuangatwe nyumba yo mosasrot bono ne kelisia
asa marieta ne ngoro kucheni Richard Nyata ntore no mogoko monene asengencho Bishop itatoreta ire eparisi angega iga konyora tuatarira tambe kurigio bakonyi bwa imani yeito
tukurandio ase fika general to Father Charles Mutalingambi yamono asomo kioya na Father Peter. We thank you DJ Wema naye to gwakirangambia yamono
twairwo musasiroti mbiamono Bishop musasiroti Paul Nyambane karibu Otamba Parish twarodia kwa Chakiregas you are energetic na bakristo bon sport ambato bwatisi musasiroti erinde tosukeko chibosio
asamaleta engolo gwelicha obino koru Otamba Parish Parish ye muna bantu bekenyoro twanyeiru tonyerende tosire fata oyojiro koru Paul tomoko boko roje kerisi mwina ali ndora ke getiria nyombero twakolera ya fata togetirie tobwaterana temno tobwatana kwa gate nyomba ya fata erinde ekerisi etokere
na akirengambi yamona sabagani baito bachire gaiga omumaene n'abarayi bonse pia batore gaiga se sente gaiga ise parsi yaito tikatobwaterane
rini nyamukami gwakera Bishop itongambi yamono asenge njokorire gasiyere yankongwa se barishi yaito ochakera chakite igore barishi ya St Ambrose ochere barishi yontamba toshukuru sana se gasingia gase botokorera na induna bakristo be diocese ya Kisii to atwaliro mukina go support Bishop oito asenge nchomukio ya gotokorera
to wakambu yamana soko nyora eparisi yaito yotamba abasasiroti baito mna Father Charles Father Peter bakoliro mukibogo totebi na ndu twabwateranire na barabu eli twanyare kwagacha enyomba ya fata
Elietaria nenguru Julius Osoro kurwase center yebate na inche na ndo mabase parish Otamba yonde tekoro nimbia mona asenge jo mwepsiko bieito aberga gotoe parish Otamba na ende ni ngo tebanga asante sana seji transfer bero kurwase ritukoria lero yona ari kuboria bakristo baito omusasiroti onde bwensio tumwego jase parish yaino monyare kwa mukubwaterana nere kero musasiroti no musasiroti esukuru bakwenda nayemo mubwaterana na barabwo eliekelisie kenyare ko bagekwenderera mbia mona sana
kogenda ase county ya Nyamira gati abasaye korwa ase county yuni ngori tskura rero besokire na gukwanira amangana ao ayuarengitane na magenderero ase county ywe gati yabo etaro yo mugabana we county ya Nyamira omoske Amos Nyaribo kumirana no mugabana we county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simba Arati ase gati yabo bakonere amangana arengite county yeyo chinga kibaumirana ase chiro ya tinga eyo gotoka ase wadi yabo Samaro chinga kie chioni go bakwanira igati ya magenderero ali agendereta korrekana ase nchira yo bongora engana baburire abaraibe county ya Nyamira we sokya na gukwanira engana anene yo bwagachi we industrial park eyo kwagachu Chinsa mochia Sironga engana batebirenga nigo egenderete obwagachi obwe bogenderete kogenda ase enchira ya ngora kegima eyo bono baganire abaraiwe sokya nago kwanira chinga kyecho sense moyende nigo bakwanire abasaye anene bali batabwatie bibande banyarwe sokya nako bibwata unenchira ya moyo kuyarigania kochora abarai asobochorio obonene burubosyo nabigo gonchoreria amaonchorerio anene asobora yobuya
kwa mheshimiwa Brian Nyakundi kwa Kitutu Masaba constituency Nyamira county rere twachire gaiga kuna abasaye ku Nyamira twachire gatwebekira mu 20 kwa address ya mangana agenderete amangana nga uvuninga Simbarati ngono baninga mheshimiwa Amos Kingomi Nyaribo halibo emoto. And I want to say this without any fear of contradiction. Mheshimiwa Paul Simbarati, tafadhali mahali popote ulipo tigana no mugana no ito mtutoma etenga no mouko talikorora talikoigwa tafadhali mutigane tubange serikali yetu amangana yote iko chiabunga tutam sisi atutaki sisi jasa mali tane ngongoro kwa Stephen Atinda ngongo bole wa musiwe ward yama igonta geteko bateya abantu bamintu timo tuara boba bonde bwensi abarayaba bagusiba so ire serikali bagwetano nya 20 kero mora yo so ire serikali gabwate kure yeme kero mora ya so ire serikali me temine tinabona abantu aba bagusiba spiritu so serikali mwaro gento kia abanyamaya gikabekerenyo na nyansio aba gusiba mtu tikatubuaterana
including the industrial park in Matera Yazro. Egantega Tangani, Etate industrial park in Matera Yazro. Etata Tomaina, Chiva Seria Gacha Vega Tuor, Ekagan Katoko Bakaboni, Yavera Matuka Manga Saneta, and also Banda Bioka Biro. Pakana Toka and Asambega, because Akarava, I watched the Gaga, even the industrial park in Gotokonye. About the Mivaita, and the Mona, the Mivama Bear. About the Vaita Nyamira, now when you're about coin. Among Anayabasa, Conyoregas, as a county. Those are the things we are talking about benefit to Gorgas Industrial Park. Like in the morning, I'm going to talk on Assemble, Bindembi and Yakabama to Kaira Mangi. We got the county government. Etomachiwa ibuna wananchi wa Nyamira with an immediate effect asengenzo ekinenge ndo affect wananchi wa Nyamira direct
ikiamo elio abasa bamito mwensipi mubwatete ebibande mutabwati kura igonta getemba tebiga twesipito soke tubwati kura titokorera abarayi babira ababe tutabwati kura ekura nero ingobanya itu
so that when we come to elections 2027, we have numbers to vote. The government that has been giving us headaches and has been giving us sleepless nights. Number ya kabere Getembe TV abantu baminto batinga amagenderero ndoraro taribo amagenderero ndorochi ekera asichi county chinde tobwati chipara chikorosibo twanyora tobwata aggregation centers tobwata last mile connectivity of electricity tobwate bintu bikoro kuchipara ao twanyora abantu bande ebabwate chipons chikoleta chiswe chaleta mate chaleta nebintu ao lakini into Nyamira gose into chikusi ndobwati egon tenko basaba abantu baminto bagusi abantu baminto asemwatenena tenenamo mubwaterane musirane muterene chinguru ekyaira obama ne chinguru
Eli neliogi lyabasaye bagenda tukuna kwerwanirira elio banyare konyora obwene bwabo kutikana na yumo nchumuligereria egekundi ky'abasaye kurase county ya Kisii gosabasaye abakeba koragwa na Ogoro Martin ningo litukulia lero besokirie na korokyo bwanchani bwabo gochasa bana balia bale no konyora wainse ane bali bamenyete as children's home as bakoletaro yabo gochia nyako safe house nabo igo asensemeria kyogoro asibabu atokebya wa ao gati yabo endagera nebintu binde ebiranyare ko babiko basira nabo igo ko baorokia obwanchani anene chinga kechiga abantu bagendete kwaligania emeyega yesuguku gose Christmas no kwaligania omwaka o 2026.
My name is Ted Ogoro Marita. I'm actually the incoming youth president of Kisii County. We have been to Kiogoro Children's Home of Grace Children's Home, and now we are at Nyakoe Harambe Safe House, also a children's home. We have come to give back to the community because actually we think that is the best thing that you can do as people, so that we actually make others feel inclusive. And the reason as to why actually I decided that let me be here today is because we must incorporate everybody in our society.
My name is Hendrik from Kisii. Harambe for Kenya Nyakoe Safe House is where I grew up here. Right now, I'm the acting person who is in charge here. There's no director, so I was left behind to look after this one who are here. I want to thank the visitor we have received. You can see they are here. We thank them for coming to check up on us. They brought some gift for us to celebrate this Christmas, and we are happy.
Appeal to all the citizens out there to make it a habit to come and support the children, because they are part of our society and they are part of us.
And to show that these kids, that they matter to us and we care for them. this is not just a visit, it's not just a one-time thing. Like, and we would like to encourage the leaders out there, other people, the citizens and other sponsors at large, to be coming in order to support these young ones, so that they can feel loved and they can feel that during this festive season they deserve to be shown love, care and support. Thank you.
Otioro na rogo toiro motimoko mokeigo tosuka na mangi tukwariganete asengencho yeri tukeriga tendera gutwara botegeri borobya kuika omwario.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6, tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Sukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January yu ebata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering, ngwege libale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering. Ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics, ngwege libali ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration. Ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering, ngwege libali Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering. Ase ensema ya Cosmetology, ngwege libali Hairdressing, we go mbabwate Fashion Design. Ase Hospitality and Tourism, ngwege libali Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school gorendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya. Egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tebiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba go ikawe basari in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na applications inchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuli yiga kose obakirisi migwetera sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
ababwatani bobokoreri ase chinyagitari abo bamanyekanite buna clinical officers nigo bono bararirie ogochigo chaka omogiro bo obotuko bwa rero maega yenkwana yomuteneri bwe kiombekio kia Kenya Union of Clinical Officers Peterson Wachira nigo ainekire buna nigo batara bwatana chinkwana gosokwegwana korwa ase obabwatani gose sector gose wizara yobo chenu nabo igo ekiombekeri kia governor gose council of governors engana bono ibairete barabugo chiko chaka omugirobo obotuko bwarero.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
That's the Ministry of Health and the Council of Governors are the ones who have necessitated this strike. And now that they have decided to go on holiday, I think clinic officers can also take a holiday and then we'll talk when they feel that they have time to speak with us. The other unfortunate bit, and especially for the Ministry of Health, is that we have already concluded the CBA. SRC has already given its approvals. The CBA is printed and has been with the CS for the last 3 months. He has not found some time to put his signature on the CBA. You can imagine, we are going on a strike because Duale has not found time to sign a CBA that is concluded and approved by the SRC. And on the side of the Council of Governors, the laxity and the lack of goodwill has brought us here. We concluded, or rather, the last meeting we had was in February, and the only issue was on enhancement of the risk allowance, where they were supposed to consult SRC, and they never did that, despite SRC having written them to them in October asking for them to request. They only did that the other day when we announced our strike. And that is why we are saying that this is a strike that has been called by government entities, the Ministry of Health and the COG. And that is why we are here today to inform clinical officers, wherever they are, in the public health facilities, whether at the national level or at the county level, that after today midnight, we are proceeding on strike, and that includes all clinical officers together with clinical officer specialists and clinical officer interns. And we are not going to go back until we have assigned CBA.
Omonchwa omurigereria ase entunda yende egetaseni kia Getembe nigo kiabeire gekobua chintunda ibere gose ase entunda ya kabere omoroberio ogega awards gose Kisii Excellence Gospel Awards oyo abere kogokoreka ase entunda ya kabere bono naboigo egetaseni kia Getembe nigo kiabeire gekwebwera ase chintunda echiga chionsibere koba egetaseni egechore kio mwaka bwechiri wibere na mirongo ibere na isano naboigo no mwaka bwechiri wibere na mirongo ibere na inye eyo mwaka uria oerete o 2024 naboigo omwaka oyoiga o 2025 ejineji zawadi egetaseni kia Getembe kiabete gekobua litukoria igoro asomroberio okorekanete gosomoje gokorekanete asamagacho a ATC Inye County ya Kisii. So tunasema congratulations to Getembe Television for being all by merging to be the winners as the best TV of the year 2025. Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamwamogusi. These are the trophies. Tunasema congratulations to all members of Getembe for merging to be the winners. By the way, mulifanya kazi mzuri. Na ndendo chenga munazidi kufanya nini kujitetea kabisa unike taseni kia Getembe tuatenenirie enambeyemo. Last year we were number 1. At the same time this year we are number 1. Gega Awards, the best station of the year. Egetaseni gia chirenkuma. Kwa tunasema asante sana to our directors and all the management with the staffs. Asega singia tu abertoko kora asoko bwatera na moje go yuo kore kaneteli tukore goro tiatura nyora kulo sense mujende mambo ilikuwa namna gani.
Tumweke wimbo akiingia DJ unatuangusha.
Alright, pigia mheshimiwa makofi mazuri. Getembe TV tumebarikiwa sana kuwa na waheshimiwa wawili na wanaenda kuwania kiti cha County Assembly MCA Geoffrey Onsarigo pamoja na Sungura Josephat Kitutu Central.
Thank you so much. Kumbuka ya kwamba wanaopiga picha ni Creative Stories ndani ya ATC Gega Awards 2025 ni Creative Stories. Ambao wanatusaidia kupiga picha ni Creative Stories.
Oh wow, wenye wametusaidia kupiga picha ni Creative Stories.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Tunawapenda sana na upendo wa Yesu Kristo. Wale wote ambao walikuwa kwenye mkutano na wale ambao walikuwa live kwenye TV, wale walikuwa wanatutazama tukiwa tunaendelea, tunashukuru sana kwa sababu mmekuwa watu wa kupendeza sana. Mungu awabariki sana. Imekuwa ni wakati mzuri. We wish you the best for 2025 Gega Awards, and also wish you the new year, the best of the best new year 2026.
Timu yote kuja mbele tukiweka wimbo moja. Timu yote kuja mbele tuwekee wimbo mmoja ili tukitoka in style. DJ usituangushe, tuwekee wimbo pick up. Pick up, pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Pick up, pick up. Pick up. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Pick up, pick up. Zito, pick up, pick up, pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up.
I'm good, bro. Good to see you. Thank you, thank you. Pick up, man. Proud of you guys.
Unajua hata mimi nimekuwa na furaha kwa sababu ni home. Tupige makofi tafadhali kwa sababu ni home. And this one I have to be inside the photo. Wapi makofi ya Getembe TV. So sinipatiane nafasi tafadhali Honorable Sarigo. Kuja usalimiane hapa. Onkorogo. Wacha nipatie mkubwa alafu tutashukuru.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Ukweli tunashukuru sana. My name is Joe from Sarigo, Station Manager Getembe. We want to appreciate for the trust you've given us. This is the second time we're winning this award. And for that reason, on behalf of Getembe TV, God bless you so much. Na Mungu wabariki sana. And have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless you.
Okay. Na Nkorogo.
Thank you so much.
Makofi ya Nkorogo.
Thank you so much.
Lakini eheli umenona siku hizi uso.
Wow. Gega Award 2025.
Awards 2025. Radio Presenter of the Year.
Wow. We are going back to the Radio Presenter of the Year. And
Masana rugo chengera egetaseni egechole kyo mwaka 2025 Getembe Television Network and Getembe FM. Thank you very much. Mliona timu kubwa ilikuwa hapo kwa mpigo tena zaidi. Oroboti uruna rugo tokia omwelio imaragoba yabono mwanchwa omurigeli ndo chichi abutuke chitake 33 igoriye Chinsa Inye litukeli ya chitariki 22 twatebere mbiyamono sana asoko bo murigeli na boigo omutiotirio ito asimirubiro yonsi kirachingaki niko twabaganirie amayana abaganirie butukoboro bya bunanaika kubatebeli tangani. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2026 as we usher in a new year of prosperity and growth. Sense meyevi manyelio niko twabaterana na Wilson Makoli Eliane Nkoro kwa Dipon Asanya nabaganirie butukoboro bya nande tumirane ekero munguru aranche. Bye bye.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering. Ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration. Ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering. Ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design. Ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na we go Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County Kitutu Masaba constituency Nyamira county. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batajeti universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali loan cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board nekibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ecy'umwana gotumia kumenye school ubulendagera na gwakane senyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ejio applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake ngendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuri yiga kose obakirisi migwetera sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068